If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To create a new blank PDF in Acrobat, or to create a new PDF from a single file in Acrobat, click the Create button in the title bar to open a new document tab and show the Create a PDF from any format screen in the new document view. To create a blank PDF, select the Blank Page option at the left side of the screen, and then click the Create button to the right to create a new blank PDF and show it in the document view. You can then create the content of the PDF. Alternatively, to create a PDF from a single file, select the Single File option at the left side of the screen if needed, and then click the Select a File button to the right to launch an open dialog box. In this dialog box, navigate to the file to convert, click it to select it, and then click the Open button within it. You then return to the Create a PDF from any format screen and see a thumbnail of the selected file appear. To finish, click the Create button below the file. Depending on the selected file type, your computer may open the program that created the original file to help Acrobat convert the file into a PDF and show the new PDF in the document window. If you then close the New PDF document window, Acrobat will prompt you to save the new PDF. Note that even though the content of the new PDF file looks the same as the original file you selected and has the same file name in the title bar, they are not the same file. This is a new PDF file created from the original file you selected in the Open dialog box. The original file still exists in its original folder and remains the same file type. It is not affected by the actions taken in Acrobat, whether you choose to save this new PDF file or close it without saving the file. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.